Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare AWS versus code setup. We'll start by exploring Visual Studio Code, a powerful and free open-source editor. Setting it up locally means you have immediate access to your development environment, even without an internet connection. It boasts a vast marketplace with thousands of extensions, allowing for incredible customization and support for nearly every programming language. Your local machine's specifications will dictate its performance, offering a highly personalized and responsive coding experience right on your desktop. Next, let's look at AWS Cloud9, a robust cloud-based integrated development environment. With Cloud9, you can write, run, and debug your code directly from your web browser, eliminating the need for local software installations. This means you can access your development environment from virtually any device, anywhere in the world. It's particularly strong for team collaboration, allowing multiple developers to work on the same code simultaneously. Plus, it integrates seamlessly with other Amazon Web Services, streamlining your cloud development workflow. The key differences lie in control and accessibility. Visual Studio Code provides unparalleled local control and customization, making it perfect for individual projects or when offline work is essential. Cloud9, on the other hand, offers a consistent, pre-configured cloud environment, accessible from any web browser. This makes it ideal for collaborative projects, serverless applications, and when you need a standardized development setup across a team. Each tool serves distinct purposes, catering to different development needs and preferences. Ultimately, choosing between a local Visual Studio Code setup and AWS Cloud9 depends entirely on your project's specific requirements and your team's workflow. Consider factors such as your internet connectivity, the level of collaboration needed, and your budget for cloud resources. For maximum control, extensive customization, and offline capabilities, a local VS Code setup is often the preferred choice. However, for cloud-native development, seamless team collaboration, and a consistent environment, AWS Cloud9 offers significant advantages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.